Hello, good morning. Welcome to your GB News weather update from the Met Office. It's going to be a cold and frosty start across much of the country with some mist and fog in places too. Generally turning brighter, though we're likely to see some rain push up from the southwest. So a cold and frosty start, possibly seeing some ice in places too, but generally brightening up through the course of the day, though some mist and fog may be stubborn to clear at times. We'll begin to start to see a bit of change from the southwest as we see an influx of cloud and some outbreaks of rain and drizzle, this turning heavy at times, particularly around Northern Ireland. It is bringing in some milder air though, so temperatures around 8 to 10 degrees in the southwest, but elsewhere it is going to be a rather chilly day on offer. It's also going to be turning quite blustery under that cloud and rain, particularly around western coasts. Outbreaks of heavy rain generally pushing their way into western coasts of Scotland, though the far northeast of Scotland largely staying dry. Still feeling chilly though. Outbreaks of rain continuing across Northern Ireland, still fairly blustery here too, particularly around coasts of Northern Ireland, northwest England too. Elsewhere though, it is going to be a largely dry end to the day. Still some rain and drizzle across parts of Devon and Cornwall, and we're likely to see some clear spells as we head into the evening too. So once again likely to see some mist and fog and some turning quite chilly under those clearer spells too, so likely to see some frost by the time we reach the morning. Different story there across northern parts of Scotland, where that rain's likely to linger through much of the night and still those blustery winds continuing in the west. Milder in the west too, particularly under those cloudier skies, but chillier in the east, particularly under those clearer skies. Now, as we head through into Friday, once again another chilly start with some frost and fog in places, brightening up through the course of the day. But then we almost have a rinse and repeat really, with more cloud and rain sweeping in from the west, this heavy at times, and it continues to stay rather blustery under cloudier skies too. Though likely to see some sunshine across central and southeastern areas, but still another chilly day on the cards.